Hey guys, welcome back to another part of this live worship mixing session. For this part, we're actually going to be working on how I go about pitch correcting whenever I have a vocalist that is good, so I don't always have to Melodyne every single note. So this is going to be the little trick I do. Number one, to find the key of the song. I'm not a music theory major or anything like that, but I use the auto-tune in Logic to find the key. And then I base my settings off of that. And then I'll show you a little trick that I do with Melodyne, even though I don't have to tune every single note. So let's jump right in. Okay, so we're gonna move on into some vocal pitch correction. These guys, pretty good singers, so I'm gonna let the auto one do its thing first. All we need to do is find the key of the song, and then I'll actually move these down so I can put an instance of Melodyne there too. And then as I'm going back and doing mix tweaks, probably after mastering and after everything, that's whenever if I hear a note that I'm like, oh, that the auto pitch correction didn't catch that one, then I'll already have my Melodyne ready to just go, okay, boom, fix it, and then done. I'll try to find at least one or two of those in this live mixing session. Can't guarantee that I will get it on video, but I will at least try to show you what it looks like to do that in Melodyne. So for now, we just need to find the key of the song. I'm not like a super music theory nerd guy. I mean, I took like a music theory class in high school. I was in band in junior high, so I know a little bit, but I just try to use this to find the key. I mean, I'm a drummer. We don't have to, worry about chords and all that stuff. So I'll just find the key of the song. I'll put this as fast as it goes for the tuning. I'll say show output, not input, and then I'll watch the notes and see what's there.
To respond to you.
So I saw I don't even know. Hold on. It'll probably be easier to do on Tim's vocal since he's the lead singer, not singing harmony. Let's do this.
For you and pull on the strings of my heart. For how long to respond to you?
All right, let's just go. Start with major. Start with D. Maybe. Let's see.
All my love is for you, and all my love is yours.
Okay, maybe not.
So draw near. Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. And pull on the strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. Sing all my love, and all my love is for you. And and all my love is yours, and all my love is for you, and all my love is yours. Sing all my love, and all my love is for you, and all my love is yours. You can have it all, and all my love is for you, and all my love is yours.
Seems like a weird key. I might be wrong. I mean, there might be some people laughing at me right now. But this is literally what I do to figure out the key. I'll just crank down the tune speed, make sure all the notes match, or that, you know, they tune to the right notes, and then I'll go from there and apply it to the other singers. So it seemed like they all worked on this one. I might be wrong. I don't know what the deal is with A sharp. But and then, you know, you don't want to keep the tune speed that way. So we'll go back to, I like the stock 122 milliseconds. Do the same thing for her. And number 2, we'll make sure it works on her vocal.
All my love is for you. All my love is yours. All my love is for you. All my love is yours. And all my love is for you.
Sounds fine to me right now. We're going to put this back here. Leave that like that. Did I leave a spot? I did not leave a spot for Melodyne for him. And so I put Melodyne first in the chain, you know, after the whole SSL thing. And then so I just let Melodyne record, you know, do its transfer thing. I don't use the, of course, it's going to tell me I need to update to Melodyne 5. I don't use the ARA, you know, which is like the instant transfer, just because I don't trust it. I just like letting it record in there. It also gives me an opportunity to listen to the mix all the way through and kind of listen for things. So that's what I'll use this time for while it's transferring. And so I can do him, Tim and Courtney. I'll let them both transfer same time. Put these both on transfer. Start it from the beginning, and then this is a pretty long song, so I'll just let it go. And I will see you guys second.
Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. and pull